Remember to show all answers online paper, all work and answers online paper, okay? So start with, I'm going to do it on here because it's too much, a lot of work for me to go from down low and come back and stuff like that. But number 2, this is a negative, right? So it's 1 over 4 squared, and 4 squared is 16. That's your answer. Number 6. So I'm going to erase so that I have room for this one. This is a negative 1 times, so it's a negative 1 times 3 to the negative 4 power. So we get negative 1, 3 to the 4th power. So we get negative 1 over 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. 4 times is 81. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is 1 over 78 to the 1st power, which is invisible. You don't have to put it. Okay. Number 14. Complete it. Okay. I hope yours show up better than what I see here. So this is x to the negative 3, right? So x is 3 first. Y is to the 4th power, like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's how it works. Okay. Number 18. Okay, I go down this way first, I see. Alright. Simplify each expression. This is 5, x to the 4th power. This is, let's see, number 22. This to the 0 power is 1, so 1 over a to the 4th power. Where is this? And this one is y to the 7th over x to the 5th. Alright, and then this is x squared over, that stays on top. And the other one is 2 to the 3rd power, and I think that's z, right? Yeah, z to the 7th. Which is equal x squared over 8, z to the 7th power. This is to the 3rd, it's 8. Okay, and then we go to the top. 34. Okay, well, r is negative 3. So this is 1 over r squared, and r is negative 3, so 1 over negative 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. Okay, the answer is 1 over 9. Number 38. Wow, I haven't taught you number 38 yet. Okay, number 38 is, that's a negative 1 over 2s to the 2nd power, like that. Just leave it like that for now. Or this really means what's 1 over 2s times 2s, right? Which is 1 over, oh, okay, let's see. They tell you what s is, sorry. I forgot these problems tell you what the numbers are, so I forget, I can't talk low. This is 1 over 2 times 5, and then square, so 1 over 10 squared, which is 1 over 100. Okay. All right, 42. That's 1 there. And that's 1 over s squared, and s is 5, so 1 over 25. 44, 46. Be careful with that. $48. Make sure. Oh. That's 2 squared, so it's 1 over 4. It's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Oh no, 49 we don't have to do. 50. This is 1 over negative 2 cubed, so negative 1 over 8. Okay, using negative exponents, so this is 1 over 10 to the second power for 2 zeros. Okay, so your answer is 10 to the negative 2 power. That's your answer as a negative exponent. It's 1 over 10 to the third power. 10 to the negative third power is your answer. Oh, you don't have to do 53. Keep forgetting. 54, it's 1 over 10 to the fourth power, or 10 to the negative fourth power, like that. Okay, just number 56 as a decimal. Okay, this is 1 over 1,000, right? And 1,000 with 3 zeros, so you move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places. So this is actually 1.001. Okay, this is 7 over 7 times the 7 over 10 to the first power, or 0.7 if you divide that. Move it 1 spaces. This is 3 over 10 to the second power. 2 zeros, so oh, nope, we don't have to do this one. 60. I'm going to put the answer to 60. 0.0005 is the answer. Okay, and then 62. I think one of these is extra credit question. I think I star it. 86 is extra credit question, okay? 62 is, the answer is D. Reduce this to 1 over 3. It's like challenge question. I don't know why I gave you guys this, but I should not. This is not something you learn yet on 62. You'll learn it soon though. Yeah, 62 is not the right one. Anyway, 64, you should be able to do 64. This is 54 over 3 squared, 54 over 9, which is 6, right? Okay, 68. Okay, I'll just put the answer down for 68. I think I'm running out of time. 16, 70 is 1 over 8. 72 is negative 1. If you have a question, ask me in class. Okay. Choose a fraction to use as a value for the variable a. Find the value of a. Okay. Of a, negative 1, and a squared. So choose a fraction. So basically, any value of a. Let's say I want a equals to 10. And then solve it. That's all on your own, you know. You can make up anything you want. So, and the difference between these is a to the negative 1. That means 10 to the negative 1 means 1 over 10. And then a squared is 10 squared or 100, right? And a to the negative 2 squared. That is the same as 1 over a squared. This is mine, so you can use another number besides 10, or you can use 10, whatever. So this is 1 over 10 squared, which is 1 over 100. Okay, and 86 is extra, so try it on your own. I'm going to check it and see who got it with all the correct work, okay? Answer B. Alrighty. Write an equation with a line that passes through the given point that is parallel. Parallel the same slope, okay? So the slope here is 3, so I'm going to use point slope. Y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. Y minus y sub 1, which is 1, equals to m, which is 3, parallel slope, same slope. Parentheses x minus x sub 1 is 0. So y minus 1 equals to 3x minus 0. Add 1, add 1. Y equals to 3x, add 1. Okay. And then slope intercept form. Well, that's easy. It's already give you the slope, so y equals to 5x minus 2. Y equals to 1.25x minus 3.79. Okay, and that's it. Hope that helps. Hopefully I made some errors. I didn't